Moroccan Tagine, a slow-cooked dish, embodies the essence of North African cuisine and offers a delightful array of flavors and aromas. The vessel itself, a conical clay pot, is crucial to the cooking method, allowing steam to rise and circulate, keeping the ingredients tender and infused with spices. As you enter a Moroccan kitchen, the intricate design and earthy tones of the tagine catch your eye, setting the scene for a culinary adventure. At the heart of a tagine is a blend of spices that redefines the concept of comfort food. Ingredients like cumin, coriander, saffron, and cinnamon meld together, creating a warm and inviting profile. Imagine the aroma wafting through the air as onions and garlic saute in oil, releasing their essence. As you add in chopped vegetables like carrots, zucchini, and eggplant, they begin to soften, soaking up the spice-laden oil. Each element dances together, a harmonious prelude to the main star, whether it be lamb, chicken, or perhaps even a delightful blend of chickpeas for a vegetarian option. The preparation of tagine invites you to embrace patience and mindfulness. Layering the ingredients allows for a gradual buildup of flavors. You place the meat atop a bed of fragrant vegetables, perhaps adding olives or preserved lemons for that quintessential Moroccan zing. The tagine is then sealed and left to bubble gently over low heat, where time becomes your ally. As it simmers, the meat becomes tender, falling apart at the slightest touch while the vegetables melt into a rich aromatic sauce that beckons to be drenched over fluffy couscous. Serving tagine is an experience in itself. It's a communal affair where friends and family gather around the table. As the lid is removed, a cloud of steam bursts forth, revealing the colorful medley of meats and vegetables glistening with juices. Traditional Moroccan bread is often the preferred accompaniment, perfect for scooping up the flavorful concoction. Each bite is a celebration of textures and tastes, transporting you to the streets of Marrakech. In essence, a Moroccan tagine is more than just a dish. It is a story of culture, tradition, and hospitality. It's a journey that begins before the first ingredient touches the pot, weaving through the preparation, the aroma that fills the room, and the shared experience around the table. The tagine stands as a testament to the rich tapestry of Moroccan culinary heritage, inviting you to savor each moment.